And the executive arm of government is yet again at loggerheads with the judiciary. The latest bone of contention is the launch of the refurbished Kenya Meat Commission factory by President Uhuru Kenyatta, despite an existing court order barring the same. This adds to a growing list of court decisions that have been defied by the executive. KTN's Emmanuel Tor reports on this executive impunity.
On the same day that Chief Justice Martha Koome was taking over as head of Kenyan judiciary, with her emphasis on the need to respect court orders,
Let us appreciate His Excellency the President.
President Uhuru Kenyatta was officiating the takeover of the Kenya Meat Commission by the Kenya Defence Forces. The head of state reopened the factory at Athi River after the facility underwent a facelift. This happening despite an existing court order quashing the same.
The president violated the constitution, and for that reason, Kenya Meat Commission ought to be reverted back to the Ministry of Agriculture.
The September 7th Executive Order number 3 of 2020 had caused ripples among legislators, as some read a sinister motive by the government.
KDF is actually one of the biggest users and one of the biggest liability to the Kenya Meat Commission.
The military is best kept in the barracks.
In February 2021, the courts ruled the transfer of KMC from the Ministry of Agriculture to the Ministry of Defence to be in violation of Article 10 of the Constitution on public participation. It then gave 90 days for the government to regularize the situation.
In this particular case, Justice Mrima gave 90 days to enable the executive reverse what it had done.
He appointed CSS. These people were illegally appointed. He knew that by the time the courts declare these people, their positions are unconstitutional, they'll have served 2-3 years. He will appeal to the Court of Appeal, another 1 year. He will appeal to the Supreme Court. They will have served 5 years.
The KMC case is just the tip of the iceberg. The Kenyatta administration has overseen blatant disregard of a long list of court orders: the transfer of KMC to the Defence Forces, the formation of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services (NMS), the appointment of chief administrative secretaries, and the failure by the president to appoint 41 judges are a few examples of the executive defying the courts.
The president has one agenda. He serves his 5 years. He cares least about the legacy, the legal legacy.
That is their modus operandi. They file a notice of appeal, they file an application, they never pursue an appeal, all in attempt to subvert the rule of law.
With the new changes in the judiciary, there is need for the two arms of the government, the executive and the judiciary, to coexist independently and interdependently in order to deliver service to the common mwananchi. Emmanuel Tor, KTN News, Nairobi.